Hey guys, it's Mike Pana. This is Kuya Clayton Morrow. We just finished a really quick training session. I thought I'd film a really quick video regarding how to use a long stick, like a cane or a pole or something like that. So what we're gonna do is very basic. This is actually from one of our single stick sets. We just adapted it to a larger stick, and we'll show it to you really quick right now. So Kuya Clayton's gonna stand over here a little bit. We'll get some space. He's going to give me an angle 1 up by Arnis. He's going to give me the diagonal forehand. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my stick basically almost like a traditional staff grip. I'm going to keep my left hand open for this one. Okay, we'll do it from a different angle so you guys can see what I'm doing exactly. What I'm going to do, I'm basically going to conceal the staff across my body here. Okay, when he feeds this, I'm going to basically execute a rolling roof block into him. Now, I want you guys to see the reason why I'm using my left hand for this fashion. Okay, when Kuya Clayton feeds me, if I keep my hand too stiff and he comes down on me, if I'm not careful, he can crack my hand, okay? So I'm keeping this to make it a little bit more mobile. I can be able to adjust. So even if I miss exactly where it's supposed to go, he feeds me that forehand. That's coming straight across and I'm hitting. I can also, from here, just simply right hook him with the bottom puño, okay? The cool thing about staff work, guys, is that you have two giant puños. They're essentially batons on each side. Enter and follow.